How many centimeters are there in 2 meters? In 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. So in 2 meters, we double it. We have 200 centimeters. Now, how many millimeters are there in a kilometer? There are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. And in 1 kilometer, we have 1,000 meters. Each meter, 1 meter, equals 100 centimeter. So we need to add 2 more zeros to this amount here. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, and we count 3 zeros, and we add another 2 zeros, and we have centimeters. Now, to go from centimeters to millimeters, we're going to replace the centimeters with 10 millimeters. So we add another 0, and we have millimeters. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So there's 1 million millimeters in a kilometer. Now let's look at a question involving scale. If a 10 centimeter long toy car is at a scale of 1:20, that's 1/20th, how long is the car in real life? So the toy car is smaller than the car in real life, and it's only 1/20th of the real size. So we multiply by 20. 10 centimeters multiplied by 20, the denominator, is the size of the car in real life. 10 times 20 is 200. 200 centimeters is 2 meters long. Another way to think about this is setting up a proportion. Toy to real car equals 1 to 20. 1:20 means 1 divided by 20. And we're given that the toy car is 10 centimeters. So this numerator is 10. So 10 over real equals 1 over 20. And we could call this real, C as in car. When we cross multiply, we have C equals 10 times 20, which is 200 centimeters, which is 2 meters, the same answer we got before. So in the last example, we had some ratio, fake to real, involving a toy car. We had 1 to 20, in which the real thing, the car, was 20 times bigger than the fake thing. But in this example, we actually have it reversed. The fake is bigger than the real. This picture, the fake picture of a COVID virus, is 5 centimeters long. So this is 5 centimeters, colon, the ratio or division statement is much bigger than the virus in real life. It's only 100 nanometers. So 100 nanometers, which is very, very small. It's 1 billionth of a meter. So this here is a proper scale. Let's simplify it. Multiplying the left part by 10, we have 5 centimeters equals 50 millimeters, colon, 100 nanometers. Now let's think about 1 millimeter. It's a very small unit. But even smaller than a millimeter, we have something called 1 micrometer. Micrometer. Looks like this big long U. And we know that 1,000 micrometers equals 1 millimeter. So we multiply 50 millimeters times 1,000. So we draw 3 extra zeros, and we have micrometers, colon, 100 nanometers. But nanometers are even smaller than micrometers. It takes 1,000 of them to balance out. 1,000 nanometers equals 1 micrometer. So to convert micrometers to nanometers, we have to add another 3 zeros. So we simply go 1, 2, 3 more zeros, nanometers, colon, 100 nanometers. We now divide both sides by 100, so we knock off 2 zeros here. We knock off 2 zeros here. We can even divide both sides by nanometers. So these units even cancel out. So in a scale factor, we have no units. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 500,000 to 1 as our ratio. And when the left part is larger than the right, it means that the picture, the fake object, is larger than the real object.